Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are doing a little bit something different. We are in the end, as you can see, and this is a little bit of a hint. What I'm standing right beside. We are going to make an Enderman farm. This is how to make an Enderman farm. You could probably tell by the title and the thumbnail. But let's just get straight into it. But these are going to be the items that you are going to need. So you're going to need tons of stacks. Like I'm talking about 10, 15 stacks of blocks. You can use anything in replace of smooth stone. Just don't use dirt or any block Endermans can pick up. But other than that, this should be the amount that you guys need. And you don't have to worry about too much about the Y level because you're going to, it doesn't matter too much. Just be above Y level 0 in the end. And right now, what I'm going to start to do is build out 2 stacks of leaves. Oh my gosh, how did I actually just fall? Okay, but build out 2 stacks of these. Yeah, so 100 and let me just do my quick math here. 28 blocks. So I'll be done. I'll be back once I place my 128 blocks. Okay, so once you have done that, once you've done the bridge, you are going to want to make a 9 by 9 what is it called? 9 by 9 like area, and with a 3 block hole in the middle. You'll see once I'm finished. Okay, so once you have done your 9 by 9 platform with 3 blocks in the middle, it should look like this. And then so after that, you are going to place 9 hoppers in the 3 by 3 hole, all of them facing that way, just place them how I just placed them. And then you're gonna break 3 blocks in front and place 3 more hoppers. And then after that, what you're going to want to do is get some of your redstone and stuff out, and you are going to want to place 3 droppers facing you. Here, wait, let me just, oh no, 3 droppers facing you like that. Like, see what I mean? They're all facing this way, which is what we want. And then you are going to want to place it so you have 2 observers, one facing towards you, the arrow facing towards you, and one facing away from you, like that. And then you're going to want to have a lever with 3 redstone going like that. And then after that, you are going to want to surround you want to put carpet all over your hoppers. So just put it all over every single hopper. And also guys, just so you know, if you want to play back, feel free to play back in the video so you can understand the steps a little bit more. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to want to break these 3 blocks in front of the droppers. And then you're going to want to surround everything in the slabs. I'll go all the way around with the slabs. And then after you do that, you are going to want to go to this corner right here and build up 2 blocks and then of dirt and then 1 with smooth stone. And once you do that, you're just going to make 4 a platform like this and build a 9x9 area, like 9x9 with 3 broken in the middle. Okay, so once you've got that step done, I made a bit of a mistake. You're going to want to have these blocks at the edge and move the 2 blocks away, or delete the 2 blocks. So it should look like this, identical to the bottom one. And then after you do that, you're going to want to go around around the whole thing, like, or not the whole thing, but just around this side like this, and cover it with carpet like this, how I'm doing it right now. But do not cover the area right here. This area right here, do not cover. Just cover 2 blocks around. So once you've done that, it should look like this, and this just prevents any Endermen or any mobs from spawning right here. And then after you've done that, you're going to want to build up like 2 blocks like this. And then once you have finished building, or once you've done those 2 blocks, you're going to build 1 smooth block on top and delete the other dirt. And then you're going to make a ring like this. Like that, so it's right on top of the other ring. And you're going to build up 2 blocks like this and keep on repeating it with 2 blocks up from the other, in a 5 in a circle like this, in a ring like that. Keep on repeating this step 13 times. Okay, so once you've done the 13 like square things, this is what it should look like from a distance. Each 2 apart. And see, I've already got 2 Endermen, which I'm going to need them to move. But anyways, you're going to want to build 1 more layer right exactly on top. Bye-bye, buddy. Right exactly on top. Okay, this guy didn't fall off. Buddy, I'm going to need you to fall off. Bye-bye. I just knocked those guys off. Okay, anyways, get back on track. So you're going to want to do that. And then you're going to want to build out 13 blocks from the middle. From the middle of each side, like build out 13 that way, 13 this way, and 13 this way. Okay, so once you have built out 13 blocks on each side, it should look like this. And then after that, you're going to want to connect each side like this, where you're connecting every single one of them. Now, you may not be in creative mode, so this is going to be a little bit harder, but you're just going to connect them on all sides, and then you're going to fill in everything. Once you've done this, once you've connected all of them, you're going to want to fill in the holes in the middle, except for this hole right here. Okay, so once you've done that, your thing should look like this, where you filled in everything, and it's like this. And then, so once you've done that, you're going to want to place your 8 trapdoors. Oh, also, it's very normal if there's a bunch of Endermen on the thing. Just don't look into the eyeballs. You're going to want to put 8 trapdoors. Buddy, you're pushing me around. I'm trying to do stuff. Or don't close them yet. But put your 8 trapdoors like this. And then if you always need to, you can, since you may be in survival mode, you can always use your water bucket to... You just stole my block! I do not like you. But anyways, you can put water down there so you can go get some materials or something. And then, yeah, so once you've done that, you're going to want to close or open all these and put a block in the middle like this. He just fell. Put a block in the middle like that, and then you're going to build 1, 2, 3, and then place. Stop it! Okay, wait. Okay, I gotta make sure. Okay, wait. They're all stealing my blocks. Look at this. Okay. Okay, wait 1 second. I gotta move these guys. Like, move out of here. Okay, so I'm just going to fix this quickly. Okay, so that's, you're gonna build 1, 2, 3 up, and then you're going to place a chain. And then after you do that, you're going to want to place a block beside it so you can place a carpet on top. And then you're going to build up 1 block above the carpet, and you're going to make a little cage for your Endermite that will be here. Just like so. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go subscribe and hit that like button. I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers and get some more views and stuff. Okay, so once you've done this little cage, you're going to want to place a minecart not where there's the chain, like on the other side of the chain. So then after that, you're going to want to, here, wait, let me just make sure the sound is, I'm just gonna like turn everything down. Okay, anyways, you're going to want to keep on trying and spawn in an Endermite, because they have a chance of spawning when you throw a Ender Pearl. So you're just going to keep on throwing it until you get one. Okay, so once you have a Endermite, you're going to want to place your minecart down and name your Endermite so it doesn't disappear. My name for my thing is Bobby. You can name it whatever you want. Buddy, can you please get it? Technical difficulties! Thank you. Now he's inside the cart. That's what you're going to want to do. Also, that guy's doing some dance moves right there. Okay, so enough of that. But once you have done that, I'm going to move him a little bit. You're going to, please move on the other side. Move on the other side. You're going to want to delete all the excess dirt. Oh my gosh, but put a carpet on top of the Endermite, like that. And then delete all the excess dirt. And as you saw, let me just delete that. As you saw, all those Endermites came rushing right here to the middle, where they are going to fall down into the middle. Okay guys, so now we're basically finished. We're just going to want to go down. You can use your water bucket if you're in survival mode or hardcore mode. And you're going to want to have a sweeping, here, wait, let me move this. You're going to want to have a sweeping edge sword. Now I have the maximum. You can have whatever you want, whatever you prefer. And you're going to want to turn this on or you're going to start killing them. Oh my gosh. And look how much XP you're going to get. Wait, let me put on survival mode to show you how much XP you'll get. You will get lots of plurals and lots of XP. So you're going to want to put this in here, and to make sure, like, look, I went from 0 to 16 in matters of seconds. But anyways, if you guys want to keep the ender pearls, you're going to want to have your lever like this. But if it's getting too full in your hoppers, like that is very full, you're going to want to just empty them out and they will go like that. So this is a great way to get XP and what is it called? Ender pearls. Like, as you can see, they are going crazy. You're gonna get probably around 4,000 ender pearls at all times. Like, there's gonna be so many ender pearls in there once you look in it. But guys, anyways, I just want to say thank you for watching the video, and I hope you really liked this video, because you guys can come back again and check out some more videos that I will be posting. I post once or twice a week. And go check out my friend JKing531's channel, and you will get lots of ender pearls and XP. So this is great for your world, and I hope you've had fun watching this and learned. And guys, go hit that like button, go hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.